Welcome everyone. The topic for today's video lecture is dictionary functions and methods. There are various methods and functions which can be used on dictionary. So let's study few of them. Len method. This function returns the length of the dictionary. That means it tells you how many keys are present in the dictionary. If we take example teacher equals to this dictionary and we print the length, we will get 4 because we are having 4 keys 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the above dictionary. So for printing the length we need to write LEN all in small letters, round brackets and the name of the dictionary. The clear method removes all the items from the dictionary. This can be done via writing the name of the dictionary dot clear. The get function returns the corresponding value of the key if it is present in the dictionary. So if I write the name of the dictionary dot get and the name of the key if it is present, it will return value of that key as an answer. If it is not present, we also need to write one more argument that in case absence of that key, what will be printed. So I have written teachers, that is name of the dictionary dot get Suhani, comma not present. So if Suhani will be there, the value of the key will be printed. If it shall not be there, then not present will be printed. The item method returns items in the dictionary as a sequence of key value pair. So if you want the items of the dictionary as a list, you can always get it through the name of the dictionary dot items. The last two methods are the key and value method. So this we have already discussed. The key returns the keys of the dictionary and the values method returns the value of the keys. So let's see the function practically. So if we have a dictionary called teachers and this is the content of the dictionary, the first method that is to be seen is len method that will calculate the length of the dictionary. Length of teachers, you'll get 4. Now if I want to use clear method, I will be using the name of the dictionary dot clear. Now after clearing, if we want to print the dictionary, what will be the output? So empty parenthesis is the output, means it truncates all the elements of the dictionary. Now let's see what's the difference between the del and the clear method. So del method deletes the whole dictionary, but clear method deletes the content of the dictionary. Now let's see get method. So for get method, we need to write the name of the dictionary dot get and in bracket the name of the key. So if I write the name of the key which is present, I will get the corresponding value. But yes, if I write the name of the key dot get and the value which is not present in the key, I will not get any output. Now if I want to remove the discrepancy to know whether I'm getting an output or not, I can just write let it be NA, and if the element will be present, I will get the corresponding values, otherwise I will get NA. So Ram is not present, so I will get NA. So if I want to check it for the element which is present, I will also write NA here and run this. So this element is present, so it will give the corresponding value. If it is not, then it will print NA. Now let's see the next function, that is items. Now if I write dictionary dot items, I get the sequence of the dictionary as a list. So if I print, I get Raman, Geography, Rizwan, Pol Science, Aksham, Biology, Richa, Maths. Let's see the update method. So update method merges the two dictionaries. Like if we have a dictionary called teacher and the other dictionary new teacher, and if I want the content of the dictionary new teacher, to be added at the end of the content of teacher, I need to write teachers dot update new teachers. Okay, so we'll define two dictionary. Let it be dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. If I want the dictionary 1 should be first and then at the end dictionary 2 should be added, I need to write the name of the dictionary 1 here dot update dictionary 2. So this is the method to add a dictionary at the end of the other dictionary. Now let's see how to create a user defined dictionary. For example, if I want to create a user defined dictionary which contains the name of the student as a key and the marks, or you can say the grade as the value. So I will create a user defined dictionary. So for that, the very first thing what we need to understand is we don't know how many keys are to be stored. So we need to start the loop, that is considering that we don't know the number beforehand. So we'll be using while loop. So the very first thing what I will do is I will take dict to equals to the empty dictionary, and then I will write ans equals to y, and then while loop I will work with ans equals to y. I have assigned answer as y because first time I want the loop to be executed. Now after that I will be asking to input the user the key of the dictionary. So the key is the name, so name equals to input, enter the name, and the value to it, so value is, let it be marks, int input, enter the marks. Now we will assign the value to the dictionary. So dict underscore stew square bracket name equal to marks. So one element is inserted. Now we will ask the user, do you want to insert more element? So answer will contain the value of it. So input, do you want to enter more names? So the answer has to be given in yes or anything else. Okay, so yes slash I'm giving no. So once you have given this answer, if the answer will be y, it will repeat the same thing, otherwise it will not repeat. Okay, and now we will just print the dictionary. So let's run and see what is happening with this dictionary. So we'll run, it will ask the name, so let it be Amar 23. Yes, I want to enter more. Pile 34. Yes, I want to enter more. Eureka 23. Now no, and I get the dictionary. So can you see how we can create a user defined dictionary? Thanks for watching the video.